Take a moment. Just look at the lines. Each circle begins from a single point, and slowly returns to it again. The compass moves, yet the order remains. One circle crosses another, and where they meet, harmony is created. This is simple geometry, but inside it, there is balance. The lines multiply, yet nothing feels chaotic. Instead, the pattern becomes more complete. Repetition has a calming effect on the human mind. Circle after circle, the motion is steady, the rhythm unchanged. Your eyes follow the movement, your thoughts begin to slow. There is no rush here, only patience, only precision. The compass turns quietly, creating symmetry without effort. As the lines expand, a structure forms, not forced, not random, just natural order, emerging from repetition. There is something deeply peaceful about watching shapes grow from pure motion. No color is needed, no decoration. The simplicity itself is enough. Each intersection feels intentional, each curve adds to the whole. And without realizing it, your breathing becomes softer, the outside noise fades, the mind settles. What began as empty space is now filled with quiet structure, a design built only with circles and patience. Sometimes, calm does not come from silence. It comes from rhythm, from balance, from watching something unfold exactly as it should. If you feel even slightly more at ease now, then this simple process has already done its work.